Hi, Chef Rich here with Well Built. Today I'm going to be showing you a delightful focaccia bread you can use for your holiday dinner. We've got white wine and water here. We've got our yeast. We've got our flour. Sugar, salt, and olive oil. We're going to mix that on low speed for about 10 minutes. So the dough mixed for 10 minutes. It's now rested for about an hour. You see it's doubled in size. Next step is to take this and cut it and roll it out and put it in our tray. We're going to divide this into two parts. Using our bench scraper. Okay, next step is to roll the dough out. I'm going to roll it out to about a 1/4 inch thickness. A little flour on our rolling pin. Okay. Now we're going to transfer it over to our baking tray. I'm going to spray this with a little vegetable oil. You could also just pour olive oil and spread it out. Lay this in our tray. Okay, now we're going to get it ready for the oven. We're going to add 2 ounces of olive oil. One tablespoon of garlic puree. This is really important for the final flavor, the garlic puree. Rub that in. Now we're going to put salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of each. Crushed red chili flakes. And about a tablespoon of each chopped fresh rosemary and thyme. All right. We'll give this a quick docking. If you don't have this, no worries. You can use a fork. Okay. For the traditional focaccia look, you want to put your fingertips, put dimples all in the bread. And then we're ready to go into our oven. We'll be cooking today in our Lincoln DCTI, our digital countertop and pinger, at 380 degrees for 6 minutes and 15 seconds. All right, so now our bread's coming out of the oven. Take this over and give it a cut. Smells delicious. And there you go, holiday focaccia. Let's give it a quick taste. Delicious.